Hey, now let's talk about your real estate wholesaling business, okay? Now, you're gonna come across a lot of opportunities, okay? Now, there's a good way to do things, and then there's a great way to do things. But the best news is you get to choose. And what I'm talking about is, do you want to do volume? Would you like to do, 2, 3, 5 deals a week? Or would you like to do one monster deal a month? Let's talk about it. My name is Sawan Belcher. I'm a full-time real estate investor, and I kind of do it all now in my business. Now I will say I do it all now because I want a large deal size. I want a big boy check. Before, when I first started, we were doing $3,800 deals, $5,000 deals, $8,000 deals, and we were doing like 3 to 5 of those a week, and those kept us pumping, right? And I loved that at the time. So, literally in the rush of that, I think we did 110 deals. Okay. Now, when you're doing 110 deals in your own local market, the benefits of that is everybody knows you. And you get so many opportunities to practice. You become really good at what you do. Because a lot of people doing this business, they only do 1 or 2 deals a month, maybe 1 deal every other month. And you don't get too many opportunities to mess up. Since we were doing 4 or 5 deals a week, you can really practice. I mean, you can add new buyers, you can create new systems, you can just do stuff that nobody else gets a chance to do. Now, I will say the fruit from all of that labor comes 3 years later, where everybody in the marketplace knows me. They know my personal brand. Now, they also know Triad Discount Homes, the Triad's discount superstore, but they know me, and that's amazing. But I don't really want to work that hard anymore. And I want to pose it to you, like, how long are you willing to work that hard? Like, at what point is the grind not worth it? At what point do you control your time? At what point do you actually want to make money so you can not just pour back into the business, so you can buy nice shoes, have a family, buy a nice house, and do those things that you always wanted to do? So today my business is different because instead of just assigning every deal, we actually take the time to meet with those people who purchase with us, grow relationships with them so they feel comfortable with us. So instead of them investing in our deals, they will literally give us the money so we can invest, so we can perform and make them money while they do nothing. Now, that strategy, it not only makes you more money per deal, it also helps saves you on taxes. Okay. Now let me give this little like capitalism kind of theory. I pay no taxes on debt. Okay. I pay 37% on capital gains. Okay. Think about that. So that means that if I get a deal under contract at 30% of value, my private money guy gives me money for this deal at 60% of value, I'm gonna bring home a fat check still. I'm gonna bring home, $30,000 or $40,000, right? Which is a way bigger check than the $3,000 that we normally get. Okay. But that money is not taxed by the government. It's seen as a debt. Not just a big check, but I get a chance to upgrade the property to my standards for the community, help the community by placing someone in it. So now I collect a monthly income. Okay. Now I collect a monthly income, and then also I'm able to add on to my back end net worth. I want to ask you, do you want to do volume? Do you want to do 20 deals a month, averaging, maybe 7 or 8 grand a deal? Or would you rather do 4 deals a month and average $25,000 a deal? I want to know your opinion. Drop it in the comments below. Okay. Either way, I want to help you do a volume or a gross business. You tell me which way you prefer. Okay. But I teach guys how to go out, create a story, learn a skill, and raise money from other people so you can own, control the block, and bring home big boy checks to your family. This is me taking action. Have an amazing day.